Tired of carrying multiple food boxes? This is the Borosil Clip In-Store Lunchbox Set, perfect for office, school, or college use. You get a complete set with two 320 milliliters square containers and two 240 milliliters round containers, neatly fitting inside this compact and stylish carry bag. The clip lock lids are airtight and leak-proof, so your food stays fresh and secure without any spills. Built with a strong and kid-friendly frame, it supports up to 50 kilograms and offers a comfortable deck for balanced riding. Whether you want to carry, reheat, eat, or store food, this lunchbox set makes your daily routine simple and convenient. Priced at just 934 rupees, down from 1465 rupees, this is a practical and durable lunch solution. To buy this product, visit gcloud.shop and search Borosil Lunchbox and buy the product. More amazing products available on G Cloud Shop. Click, buy, smile.